Okay, good afternoon, year 12. We're going to revise for our end of year term exam, term 1. When the exam is clear, what date exam will be? Great girl, 25 December. So we are reviewing our end of term exam, okay? That's exam obviously. It's on November 25th. Clear? It's okay? Jamal, okay? So what we're gonna do now is revising randomly some questions to make this video. I'm trying question number 6, page number 109. I have to solve this question with your help, okay? If I ask you some formula, please tell me, okay? So the rough sketch is here. We have a triangle here. It's a rough sketch. Obviously, it's a right triangle. And in this triangle, we have here on this side one sector. This triangle is O, this is O, R, Q. This is triangle, okay? This side OR is 8 centimeter. This angle is pi by 3 radians. Obviously, if it is pi by 3, it is not in degrees, it is in radians, okay? Upon. So this is ORQ and this point is P and this area is shaded. So the question is, let me read the question now. This diagram shows a sector POR. So this is the sector, right? With radius 8 centimeter. If this is 8 centimeters square, what should be OP? Anybody? Tada? If OR is 8 centimeter, what should be OP?
Yeah.
Great. OP is also 8 centimeter. Sector angle is pi by 3 radians. The lines OR, QR. This line OR, this line QR, they are perpendicular. How? If these two lines are perpendicular, this angle will be 90, right? OPQ is a straight line. We said that OPQ is a straight line, right? And find the exact area of shaded region. So what is the target? The target in this question is, what is the target? What we need to find while solve this question, what we are trying to do? We are trying to find this shaded region area. I can say this as S dot A. This means shaded area. That's it. Shaded area. We have to find shaded area in this question. Look at this diagram carefully. Risa, let me know shaded area is equal to subtraction of two areas. What these two areas are? Risa? Triangle's area, which is triangle ORQ, minus sector area ORP is a sector. If you subtract them, you get that shaded area. So starting from here, you write here, shaded area is equal to area, AR is terminology, area, stand for area of triangle. Triangle is ORQ. Area of triangle ORQ minus area of sector. What is that sector? OPR. You can say OPR, ORP, doesn't matter. Clear? Again explain. If you know this thing, then you are studying perfectly, correctly. This triangle, no, this triangle minus this sector will give you the shaded area, right? Now I'm going to find these values with your help. What is area of this right triangle? What is area of a triangle? Janisa. Area of a triangle is half times, very good, half time base times height or altitude. For this triangle, when you talk about right triangle, except hypotenuse, other two sides, one is base, one is height. So in this right triangle, don't take OQ, take OR and RQ. One is base, one is height. Do you know this RQ? You know this RQ? Pythagoras? But do we know OQ? So how we can find? So I write here first, half times OR, right? OR is base times RQ, RQ is height, minus area of the sector. What is area of sector? Compound, look at this sector, ORP, what should be area? Area of sector formula is 1 by 2. Yeah, 1 by 2 square of radius times angle, central angle theta in radian. So 1 by 2 r square theta. 1 by 2, I write here r square theta. Theta is nothing but this pi by 3. There is no problem with sector area. We know radius A, we know angle theta pi by 3. Plug in there, we get this one. The problem is RQ. Now, how to find RQ? Any suggestion from anybody? Mr. Ken. How to find RQ, boy? When you guys were in year 9, it's an old story. I teach you so. Ka and Tova. I remember at that time, you how were very excited to learn. So, Ka, Tova. Now you tell me, Kim, you tell me what should I use so, Ka or Tova in the right triangle to find RQ. We are given RO. RO is given to find RQ because this is a right triangle. Angle is given also. Should I use so, Ka or Tova? How want to speak something? You want some mic or loudly? Yes, please. What do you use? Cow is saying Tova. She's smart girl. So we're gonna use Tova, guys. Okay. So we use Tova. I must just go on this side. That's fine here. Now I see here. We have to use this ratio Tova, right? And I can now tan of the angle which is pi by 3 or tan pi by 3 is equal to, by Tova means opposite divide by adjacent. For this angle pi by 3, this side is opposite. For this angle pi by 3, this side is adjacent. So opposite divide by adjacent means RQ divide by RO, which is 8. Use your calculators. Use your calculators and get the value of RQ, which must be tan pi by 3 times 8. Before you do that thing, check the mode in your calculator. It should be in radians, not in degrees. Because angle is in radian, okay? So tan pi by 3 times 8 will give you the value of RQ. What RQ is equal to? Yes, Lisa? 8 square root 2, right? 3. So 8 times root 3 is the value. It is in centimeter. Anybody got different? Don't change to decimal. We'll do in the end over there, okay? So 8 times root 3 centimeter is the value of RQ, length of RQ, okay? Okay. So we're going to plug in the value of RQ in this equation now. We have 1 by 2 times OR. Known OR is 8 times RQ. We had found out here 8 times root 3 minus half time square of the radius. Radius is 8 times 8 square times angle, which is pi by 3. Again, use your calculator to solve this expression. Give me answer either in root or in 3 significant figures. So guys, we found RQ over there by using TOA. OR was 8. RQ is now 8 root 3. R radius is 8 centimeter of the sector. Angle is pi by 3. Just plug in this value. Calculator. Tada. Known BB 21.9 centimeter square. So 21.9 centimeter square. This is the answer of question. Means this is the shaded area. See guys again. So shaded area, which is this one, this area. This shaded area is 21.9 centimeter square. The question was to find shaded area, which is visible from the diagram. Area of the triangle minus area of the sector. Area of triangle is half times base times height, which is half times OR times RQ. We found RQ by using TOA, which is 8 root 3 minus area of the sector 1 by 2 square of radius times center angle theta. Radius is 8, theta is pi by 3. We plug in here and use calculator. BB give me answer 21.9. You got same or different? Anybody? Same. So this question is done. Clear guys? Thank you.